When a person comes into Krishna consciousness, he becomes Samasarveshu Bhuteshu, means equally disposed to all living entities. Because he knows that every living entity is part and parcel of Krishna, he loves everyone and feels pain even for cutting off a tree or killing off an ant. In this regard, there is a story. Once there was a hunter named Brigari who used to kill all kinds of animals in the forest, partially leaving them in pain and suffering. Once the great sage Narad was passing through the forest and saw this painful condition of animals, and out of compassion, he searched for the hunter. He reached the hunter and asked him to stop this sinful activity because the hunter may suffer. The hunter was not aware of the sinful behavior of his activities and told Narad Muni that he was trained in that way only by his father and asked him the way to get rid of this sinful activity. Narad Muni made him his disciple and asked him to chant the Hare Krishna Mahamantra near the bank of the holy river Ganga. In this way, he became perfect saintly Vaishnava. When later on Narad Muni came to see his disciple, he saw him jumping over the road, coming to receive his spiritual master. On being asked the reason for jumping, he answered, "Sir, there are many ants on my path and I don't want to disturb them." So the same hunter who used to kill all kinds of animals partially and leaving them in pain has now become a perfect great Vaishnava devotee. So this is the effect of Krishna consciousness. Hare Krishna.